this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2015 Renegade. This is a Latitude. The color is Mojave Sand. It does have the nice upgraded wheels on it. 5-passenger vehicle. This vehicle has just under 57,000 miles on it. It does have a manual seat that you can raise and lower. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic headlights, Bluetooth, voice recognition, cruise control, AM, FM, and satellite radio. Automatic transmission. This has the nice black interior. Seating in the back for 3. Back seats do lay down to give you complete storage for the whole back end. Very nice, clean vehicle. If you'd like more information on this vehicle, please call Theresa here at Firkins. You can reach me at 941-807-1165. This will be a certified vehicle. Call me for more information. Thank you.